This course is designed to help anyone working in an operations or a planning role or a management role in making better decisions around your haulage fleet and your road maintenance. So whether you're concerned about your tires, your roads, or your hauler itself in terms of availability, in terms of tire life, or in terms of the deterioration rate of your running surfaces, this course is going to help you make some better decisions to get more out of your operation. There are a number of things that we worry about. We worry about our hauler availability. Imagine if you could increase that availability by 1, 3, 7, or 10%. That'd be great. Even 1% would be fantastic, because that translates to an increase in productivity. What if I could tell you you could actually decrease the fuel usage for running your haulers, and consequently you'll decrease your emissions? Suddenly this becomes an environmentally conscious approach to managing our operations. If you could decrease your rolling resistance, you can decrease your cycle times. These are the assumptions we've known for many years, but we didn't have a good handle on how our rolling resistance changes during the course of operation of our haul fleet.